Here we are, Old McDonald's farm. What are we even doing here anyway? Why to test out some people here, of course. Or well, not really to test out people, but more of an interview thing, that is. Oh, okay then. Oh well, if that's what you're gonna do, then I'll just go back home. What do you mean I'm going back home? Oh, whatever. Oh well, let's see what we got here anyway. Shut up! Hello, that dog. Aha, now there's someone. Hey, bud. Huh? Hello there, sir. I'm Dr. Zach. I'm just gonna have a little interview with you and see what you usually do around here or something in Old McDonald's farm, I guess. How do you think so? An interview? What interview? Oh, just to learn about you and stuff. So, what's your name? I say FogHorn LegHorn's the name. FogHorn, that is. FogHorn LegHorn, eh? Okay, so what do you normally, do around here? Well, what I usually do here is play around that dog. Dog? What dog? Here, come with me and I'll show him to you. Okay. There he is. He's asleep. I see. And what do you usually do to play around with him, huh? Wow, watch this. Oh, why you? Oh, my God. Yikes! Huh? Uh-oh! Okay, there. That dog won't be able to find me up here, I hope. Uh-oh. Ah! Take this! Whoa, now calm down there, dog. Calm down! God! Take that! That! You good for nothing, chicken! You okay, bud? Yeah. It's just that dog. That dog, he sure can get mad at a deep fryer or something. Deep fryer, that is. Well, of course there is. I like to make jokes. Oh, anyway, enough about that. Is there anything else you like to do? Well, of course there is. I like to make jokes. A joke, eh? What joke? Well, you know Rhode Island Red, right? Yes, I know Rhode Island Red. Well, what if I were to tell you that Rhode Island Red turned white, then blue? Rhode Island, red, white, and blue. That's a joke, son. Flag waver. What? I said that's a joke, son. Okay. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, that's just something that happened years ago. But come on, why ain't you laughing? I just made it funny, son, but you're not laughing. You gotta keep running the ball. Ball. Eyeball. Get it this time? I guess so, yeah. Oh, by the way, that's also a joke I made years ago. But anyway, what else do you have? Well, this is chicken more. So you're a chicken, right? Well, of course I'm a chicken. Rooster, that is. Rooster, eh? Okay then. I say that boss acting like he never seen a rooster before. Rooster, eh? Okay then. Thanks, I'm back. What I got? A box. What's that box for? But anyway, let's move on. What? Now where in the name of Jesse James did you get that? Well, I got a surprise in it. It's something I always wanted. A dog. Hey, get off of me, you fool! Oh, you. Now, I say, hold on, dog. I did not do that. I say I did not do that. Mind if you turn your back real quick? Turn my back? Okay, dog. If you say so. Stupid chicken. I'll say, that dog sure is gonna get it the next time he does something like this. Okay, so last but not least is your story. So what's your story? I know your name's FogHorn and stuff like that, but explain your story. Well, like I said, my name is FogHorn LegHorn, and I was born. No, never mind. Not where you born, but just your story. So, like, what do you... Like, I don't really know. Like, just explain your story or something. Well, I'm a rooster, and I crow at sunup. Really? Can we hear it? Why, of course, son. Why, of course, son. Yeah, that sure was loud. Yep, so loud. So loud. I bet it woke up that dog over there. Which I guess didn't really happen. What are you doing there, dog? I just had enough of you. Go. Now look. Now hold on. Don't tell me to hold on. You're dead. Oh, why you? Oh. Now hold on there, guys. Stop fighting. You can tell him to stop fighting. I'm out of here. That certainly was weird. Wait a minute. Are you a chicken? Why am I a chicken? Remember you promised me we get chicken for dinner? Well, yes, but not this type of chicken. Oh, please. Oh, fine. Huh? Now, what are you two whispering about? Nothing. Come right here and, hurt. Go! Ha! There, we got our chicken. Hooray, we got our chicken! Gee, he sure is a heavy chicken, too. What? Now, where are y'all taking me? Taking me, that is. Speak up. Why, we're just planning on having you for dinner tonight. Dinner? Oh, well, I guess that's kind of nice. I wonder what we're gonna have for dinner today. Oh, you'll find out, bud. You'll find out.